viewers, thank you so much for joining us into today's session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been training for over 3.5 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I also give you guys any trading ideas or trading opportunities that I am personally planning to take on today. So if that sounds interesting, traders, sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. So starting off, okay, I first have to apologize. Yesterday I didn't come on live stream. I am very sorry. I was preparing dinner. Okay, very late. I just ate one time yesterday. So very late I eat. After I eaten, it was about 10-ish, okay, p.m. So that's why I couldn't live stream yesterday. Hello, Durga. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. So that's the reason why, traders, I couldn't live stream yesterday. My apologies. But again, today, okay, there are a few opportunities in the market. Not from the crypto side. Crypto side, like ETH, kind of forming a sideway already. Okay, but definitely we will find an opportunity for the crypto side eventually. All right. So as of now, let's start off with trading updates. Okay. So first off, in NZDJPY, this was a trading opportunity that we highlighted last week. To my shock, okay, because I didn't check this market even yesterday because I never live stream. Okay, I was analyzing the market, but I didn't check NZDJPY. I never expected until this target to be taken out very immediately and aggressively lah. We were anticipating for a bullish opportunity, and market did come down. Okay, did tap inside of our zone two times, and then we went all the way towards the upside. So this is such a beautiful and an amazing trading opportunity. So if any of you guys that have analyzed this trade with me last week, you can watch last week's live stream. Okay, you can see that we analyzed this trade line ZDJPY. Congratulations to all of you. We moving on. We have a few more. USD Okay, so this one, the trade beautifully went all the way to our TP target, and after that broke away from this zone level lah. Okay, so this is still a very successful trade for me. Okay, we have 1 to 2 risk to reward. Beautifully, it went to take out the first TP target, so this is not relevant anymore. So let me remove this. Okay, so again, congratulations to any of you guys that was analyzing this chart with me. Last but not least, USD CAD. So this one again, another very aggressive but beautiful move all the way towards the downside. Congratulations to any of you guys that analyzed the market with me last week. Again, all of this is captured live. You can watch it in the live streams last week. I mentioned about the trading opportunities before they happen. Mel, hello. Thank you so much for joining. Very good evening. Managed to capture this one. I know. I sorry, I didn't see your chat at the time. I'm not sure which one exactly, but I'm glad that you captured at least one of them, lah. No worries, no worries. Don't have to thank me. I'm more than happy. Okay, so that is the update side from the forex part, lah. Okay, so let us go through the opportunities. So this one is already starting to play out. GBBCAD. So I am overall focusing on a selling opportunity. I do have two targets here, okay, because we are overall bearish. This target here, I won't be personally aiming for it, okay, if I were to enter this trade. The reason being is because this target is way below this zone level. So this zone level is where we will start to see some form of reaction, okay, in the market. So this is a much more safer target. I'm okay to even at least until the tip of the zone is fine. This is not an issue. But overall, this is my main target here. Okay, nevertheless, GBBCAD, I'm focusing on sales. Euro USD, I'm also focusing on sales. Okay, we do have two targets here, beautiful targets. I'm now focusing mostly traders on 1 to 2 risk to reward. YY, hello. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I'm mostly focusing on 1 to 2 risk to reward. The reason being is because the market, we are towards the end of the year. The market sometimes moves quite slow, sometimes moves a bit fast, and I don't like to hold trades too long. There's a trade that I hold for 3 days plus last week. Okay, it went successful, but 3 days plus. Ups and downs, in the emotion state because there were quite impactful news happening throughout, but it went successfully. Okay, so that's why now I just focus on 1 to 2, at least within a day or a day and a half. Most probably you can reach the target. Okay, so that's why you see most of my this one here will be two, so 1 to 2 risk reward. Nevertheless, Euro USD, I am focusing on sales. Last but not least, silver, we have an opportunity. Also another 1 to 2 risk reward. I am focusing on buying opportunities, but I primarily may be focusing more on the forex side for Euro USD or GBP CAD. Why not silver? Even though there's an opportunity, is because we are at all-time highs. If you guys didn't know, silver and gold they move very same. Okay, if gold all-time high, silver is all-time high. When we have all-time highs, we don't really have targets. You guys know this lah about me. I said this multiple times before. I try my best to prevent trading into the void of the unknown. So if we are in all-time highs or all-time lows, if let's say we all-time lows, we want to focus on sales. We are selling to the unknown. We don't know what is that place. We never been there before. Right now, if you want to buy, we can buy. It's not a bad idea, but just we are buying into the unknown, a territory that price never went to before. And you see the place that I mark, right? That means I'm anticipating silver to make a new all-time high. Okay, it's not a bad thing, huh? If you want to focus on buys, can definitely can, but is my own personal preference as a trader that I would prefer to trade in territories where market has already stepped into, just so that I could use data to analyze and understand the probability of how market may react in that zone. This is just me. There are traders that focus, even though all time high, all time low, they will still buy. Okay, like especially swing traders, all right, they will just focus on long term return, long returns. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Everybody trade differently. No one trades the same way. As long as it's successful for them and it works out for them, congratulations. I'm very happy for them. Okay. Again, nothing from the crypto sites. I won't be highlighting anything about the crypto space. I will show you about the ETH one. This is the one, you see. This one I updated you last week. I went to TP. You see, we're moving up. Okay, you can see we are forming somewhat of a sideways momentum. Okay, in this range. All right. So just because of that, I would prefer to just stay away for a while for the crypto space. Anyhow, today is only Tuesday, but focus on the potential opportunities that I highlighted, which is GBP/CAD for sales, Euro USD for sales, and silver for buy. But again, beware of silver because we're in all-time high range territories that we haven't dabbled in yet. Okay, this one I can put until here. Again, I'm not focusing 1 to 3 or anything. Okay, I just know there's two targets close by to this range, and primarily these can be opportunities for me to enter for selling models. All right, I will just later go in smaller time frames and understand where is my entries for those. Anyhow, so New York session is coming up. Yeah, so definitely more opportunities to showcase themselves in the market. But today itself we got three. That's very amazing. Okay, traders. So I think I'll end the live stream here. Very, 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 very short live stream because nothing much to really highlight. So I just want to give you guys updates and some opportunities that I'm focusing on. Also, let me know if you guys prefer like this kind of very short, straight to the point live streams. I would then be more than happy to do that for you guys because I can do maybe more if it's short and straight to the point. If you want more explanations like my usual live streams, what I think, okay, what's my advice, you guys can just let me know in the comments. Okay, let me know in the comments. I want to go get my dinner right now. Again, eating very late, but I make sure at least I speak to you guys today before I go have my dinner. Okay, if you guys want to learn from me how I do my personal analysis, how I understand the markets, how I trade the markets, and many more, I do have my own personal 6-week course, something that took me 3.5 years to learn. You guys will be able to do the same in less than 2 months' time, which is insane. I when I think about it, 3.5 years of time can be done in less than 2 months, actually. But I don't regret all of the things that I fall down in, okay, all the potholes along the way, because those are all part of my journey, all part of my scars. So they got this saying, very nice saying. A teacher is not someone that is only someone that extremely successful, but a teacher is also someone that is the biggest loser that never gave up. That's all, because only when someone went through all of those potholes, okay, fell so many times and then found a way how to get over that. So when you have questions, when you fall in that same pothole, okay, that is when a teacher will be, someone who been through it will know how to advise and what to go through. So that's why anything that you guys go through in your life. So just remember those potholes were meant for you to go through and for you to learn on how you can actually move on. And eventually, when someone else goes through something like that you're going through as well, you can give the help that they need to hear. Okay, it's very nice, lad. Somebody said it. It's like, wow, it blew my mind. Okay, our traders. So again, I hope today's insight analysis was insightful for you as it was for me. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the upcoming live streams. Maybe you want to see any live trades. I like to do live trades, but just my trading timing will be a bit different. I trade whenever there's opportunities. I don't trade specifically when sessions. I am focused on the sessions, but I'm focused in the sense of just knowing when they're going to begin. So you give me a good idea. Should I enter now or shouldn't I enter now? Should I wait until session open or should I wait until session close? That's all. I don't wait for the sessions to trade. Whenever opportunities got, that's when I trade. That's the only reason why I'm not doing any live trading yet. But hopefully, one day we can find an opportunity nighttime. Then I can show you guys live trade. I've done it before. You guys can watch my previous old videos where I don't show my face. That one I got do a few live trades. Like you guys can watch if you like. Uh, if I remember, I'll put link in description. If I remember, I'll do my best. Thanks. No worries, Durga. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining. And I'll catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye, everyone.